So today we will start with the remaining 5 Sahaj Pranayamas. Now, Sahaj Pranayam number 6. Sit in any comfortable posture. Now take a deep breath in. Then forming your lips just like the beak of a bird, breathe out by giving some pauses in between. Practice this process for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This pranayam removes the germs of the mouth and throat. No bad smell will prevail in your mouth. This pranayam also cures facial paralysis. Sahaj Pranayam number 7. First fold your index and middle finger and connect it with your palm. This is known as Nasika Mudra. Now close your right nostril with your thumb finger and inhale through your left nostril. Hold for some time and now close your left nostril and slowly exhale through the right nostril. Repeat the process in alternate manner for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This pranayam cures cold and cough, invigorates the body and cleanses the blood. This pranayam is also known as Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Sahaj Pranayam number 8. This pranayama is also known as Shitali Pranayama. Inhale through mouth with your tongue shaped like a tube and slowly exhale through both the nostrils. Practice this process for at least 10 minutes. This pranayama is a great purifier of blood and has cooling effect on body and mind. Very beneficial for persons suffering from high blood pressure. Avoid this pranayama in case of severe cold, cough and tonsil problems. Sahaj Pranayam number 9. Stand straight on your feet. Place your both hands on your chest. Now while taking deep inhalation, take your elbows backward. Hold for some time and then slowly release. This pranayam gives elasticity to the chest walls and tones of the heart and lungs to function normally. Sahaj Pranayam number 10. Stand straight on your feet. Take your both arms upward slowly while taking deep inhalation. Now while exhaling, bend your knees and hold them with both your palms. Repeat this process for about 8 to 10 minutes. This pranayam rapidly increases the capacity of air cells of the lungs to prevent fatal diseases. Thanks for watching my video. Practice all these pranayamas as I have guided you and share as much as you can. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel Yog Darshana. Stay tuned. See you in my next video.